Hey, Ash Girl here. Today you have to listen another English conversation with me. Please listen carefully for this conversation. For better experience, use headphones. Feel free to watch this video multiple times, pausing after each sentence or phrase to repeat and practice aloud. Okay, come with me.
Hey Jake. How's your day going? What's your daily routine like?
Oh, Emma, it's a mix of organized chaos and forgetfulness. Let me try to recall my daily routine. Yes. It starts with hitting the snooze button 5 times before finally rolling out of bed.
Oh Jake, you're such a sleepyhead. Well, for me, it's all about being an early riser. I wake up, stretch, and sip a cup of coffee to kickstart my day.
Coffee, huh? That's my fuel too. But wait, what comes after the coffee for me? Oh yes, the eternal quest for matching socks. It's like a daily treasure hunt in my own house.
You really need to organize your sock collection. Anyway, after getting dressed, I make a to-do list to stay organized throughout the day.
The to-do list, my arch nemesis. I always forget to make one and end up relying on post-it notes scattered everywhere. But hey, it adds excitement to my day, searching for those reminders.
Oh Jake, you never cease to amaze me. So, after my to-do list, I dive into work or attend classes, depending on the day. It's all about staying focused and being productive.
Well, for me, it's more like a dance with distractions. I start working, and suddenly, I remember that hilarious video I saw last night and end up going down a YouTube rabbit hole.
You're a master of distractions. Okay, after work or classes, I try to squeeze in some exercise. It's important to stay fit and healthy, you know?
Exercise, the eternal struggle. I have grand plans to hit the gym, but then I remember there's pizza waiting for me at home. Tough choices, you see.
Pizza versus exercise? That's quite the dilemma, Jake. Anyway, after exercising, it's time for some relaxation. I enjoy reading a book or watching my favorite TV show to unwind.
Oh, I'm with you on the relaxation part. But sometimes, I get so engrossed in binge watching that I forget the concept of time. Suddenly, it's midnight, and I realize I haven't done half of my daily routine.
You're a true time traveler. Well, before bedtime, I wind down with a warm cup of tea and engage in a bit of journaling or reflection to end the day on a positive note.
Journaling, huh? Maybe I should try it. But for now, I just fall into bed, exhausted from the adventures and misadventures of the day. Good night, Emma.
Good night, Jake. Sweet dreams, and may you find those matching socks in the morning. Jake, remember that time you forgot your umbrella on a rainy day?
Oh, don't remind me, Emma. I ended up using a folder as a makeshift shield against the rain. It was quite the sight.
You always find creative solution, Jake. And what about that time you accidentally packed your lunchbox with your sister's sandwich?
Yes. I didn't realize it until lunchtime when I took a bite and tasted peanut butter and jelly. Needless to say, I had some explaining to do.
Oh Jake, your lunchtime surprises are legendary. But you know what? They make our daily routines so much more interesting and fun.
That's true, Emma. Life would be too predictable without a little forgetfulness and comedic moments sprinkled in.
Absolutely. It's those unexpected twists and turns that keep us on our toes. So, let's embrace the chaos and enjoy the laughter along the way.
Cheers to that, Emma. Here's to our daily routines, perfectly imperfect in their own hilarious ways.